Okay, going to second floor.
Careful.
So I guess this is the,
Oh yeah, it's pretty solid.
that's the neighbor's wall, right?
Yeah, then we got to put ours. But it's pretty solid. Careful.
All right.
No,
This
stuff in
is
our bedroom.
supposedly our bedroom with all
The
the,
heck?
what do you call this?
Sheetrock.
Sheetrock? That's the closet with all the little like metal rods in it. And then, here's our switch box. Let's see. We ordered one, and that's the extra one that we ordered? There's, look how many there are though. One is a telephone.
Maybe.
We're talking about this outlet boxes right there. There are 3 in a row. We did buy one extra. There's our ceiling fan lining, line for that.
Sprinklers. 2 in the room. See it?
Where?
Sprinkler. Those are sprinklers.
Yeah, these are sprinklers. There's 2 in the bedroom. And then 1 in the closet. Can't see it. Yeah, this orange colored tube is the sprinkler tube. And then this is our bathroom. So it looks like they did more piping here, right? Or was it here last time? Just
No,
all
I
these
don't
little
think so. I think
pipings.
you're right. All these black pipes in there.
Yeah. And then here's our tub. Whoa, that's a long pipe sticking out of the tub. And then toilet area. And this is our linen closet. So when you come out, I guess I can just go through it. This is second bedroom.
You can't go through.
Why not?
No, you go the other way.
Well, there's really not much done. 1 outlet, 2 outlets, 3 outlets. Oh God. Jeez. Bathroom. Holy moly, they got water in the bathroom. Bathtub.
Let's see.
Why? That's not rain.
I don't know what that's from.
Are they testing it out?
I don't know. Probably it's right to the top.
Insulation, yep. And then more piping here. And there's the sprinkler in the bathroom as well. Lighting in the hallway and the sprinkler in the hallway. Whew, this could be very dizzy to watch. Another spare bedroom. There's now insulation is going in here. How thick is the insulation?
Careful.
Can I put more? I want to put more. And then closets there. Ceiling fan is right there. AC vent. And then sprinkler is right there. Alright. That is the progress of the house as of July 21st, 2013. And that's the roof.